Have you ever make your to-do list very heavy? Like you make a night before your to-do list at a night and you were like, okay, from tomorrow I'll gonna do this for a month, for a year, and for very long time. And your to-do list is really very overwhelming to you, like to just see on to just to see your to-do list, you are like so overwhelmed. You are like, how do I do this? Can I do this or not? And then you console yourself, okay, okay, I can do this. And you just sleep at the night. And most of the people, what's their to-do list, what's their first goal in the to-do list? It was like a perfect morning schedule, a perfect morning routine. Like they were like, okay, I'll from tomorrow I will get up at 5 a.m for ever, get up at 5 a.m. But they ruin their morning routine. And if they ruin their morning routine, they were like, okay, I just ruined my morning routine. And I was like, it was just, and you would think like it's the end of your routine and you didn't even follow your routine further. You were like, I make worse my morning, I didn't follow it, and I can't do my rest of goal for the whole entire day. And you just quit at that moment and don't even think for that, I have the entire day, I can do a lot of things, it's just a morning. If I didn't follow it, I can follow the rest goals that I that I select for myself for the entire day. I can do this. But your mind was like want to escape from the situation where it has to do work hard. It just wanted to escape from that moment. And you were like, okay, okay, I'll do from tomorrow, because you want that तुम्हारा पूरा चीज परफेक्ट हो. And you were like, every day is gone through a perfection. It can't happen, because you are a human, you can make mistakes, you can be tired at some day, you can be perfect at some day. It can't that you are perfect all the day. Even robots are not perfect even all the day, they have also machinery defects. So you are a human, you can also have that. So it's not like I'm not make efficiently today, so I can't do anything else from tomorrow. And I was like, I'm a loser, I can't do anything else. No, it was like I also experienced that, because I'm giving my near NEET exam this year 2026. And it was like today, and it's a counseling period. And it's the counseling, whenever the counseling list was like out, the result was out, and seeing your name was not in the list, it was like anxiety. The anxiety develops inside you now, just to not seeing your name at that merit list. It was like, so the feeling inside you now at that moment, it was like, what to say to parents, what they will say to me, what will happen now. Like thousands of thoughts at that time in your brain attacking you. And it was a test for you, that how you manage, how you handle the situation. Because you also know at that moment you can't do anything else, because whatever you can do is to do the paper, and the paper was happens already. And now it is not in your hand, the counseling thing, it's not in your hand. So I also like from 2 days I will like also, what will happen if I don't get any college, what will happen, what do I do now, what my parents will say, what did I say to my parents. It was like all the questions arise in our mind. And I was like, just stop, Anjali Joshi. And then I asked myself that what can I do best at that moment, and what the best decision, what happens will I take at that moment. And I was like, hoga jo hoga, I will get or not. If I get something, it will amazing. It will, if I didn't get, if I will not get any college, then I work hard for something else. So do not worry so much, because it's the most tense period than the paper thing. Because in the paper, whatever you learn, it will gonna ask. And it was like you depends on that paper. But now it was like all the things that they decide, and we just wait for that, oh, my name is now my name on the list or not. It was like so tense period. And I don't know what to say at that moment, because all the students at that time are like mentally exhausted, because who have the great marks, they are like, they relax because they know. But who those students who didn't score good, like also me, they were like so tense at that time. At this time, this period is like really crucial for them also. And what all that I can say to all of them who are like mentally exhausted at the time, that don't worry, whatever will happen, it's good for you. So don't worry, just let it happen. Whatever will happen, you have the capability to understand, you have the capability to adapt at that situation, so you will adapt at that situation. So don't worry too much, because I'm also worried about it, so I can't say that don't worry. It is like natural behavior that we are worrying about that. But let's hope what can happen. And I can also say that you can adapt at any situation, and you can do whatever you can think about. If it is not that particular thing, you can do something better in your life. And don't even think that, okay, this is the only thing I made for me, nothing else that has made for me. No, there is much more great things than it can't, that you just decide your, or you just limit your capability, or decide your capability around this one exam. No, your capability, your ability is the much more than it. So whatever I can say, that just relax, everything will happens, will good, is good. So don't worry, okay? So if you like this video, comment me that your one habit that you want to just quit, because it's really exhausting, because we make everyday timetable for the next day, and we didn't even follow that. And you also know that this didn't work for me, but your mind is telling you that, okay, do this, maybe it work for you tomorrow. It will never work for you tomorrow if it is not working for you right now. So don't just convince yourself, just okay, I'll do that, okay, I'll do that. No, don't convince yourself, just make your mind, your decision too perfectly, and think with your brain that what can you do, maximize, what can you do at your maximum, because you had the infinite ability, and I know that. So if you like this video, subscribe my channel for more videos, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much.